How we doing? Welcome back. So, I'm sorry about the sun glare. It is morning after all. So before I decide to put this whole thing back together, I'm installing a new double DIN, or Android unit, as this was my previous generation. Just wanted to do an upgrade. This had no Bluetooth or anything like that, so this was probably here when I bought the car. Oh, focus, come on. So this is probably about 2010-ish, give or take. And this is how it was set up to run in this car. So we have this type of connector for the car, which runs RCAs. Does not hook up into the factory harness with the speakers. And has a bypass relay. So you can watch DVDs, videos, and whatnot. So that's going bye-bye. Well, it's staying somewhere. So before I decide to put this whole thing back together, while trying to figure out this harness with our OEM pack, trying to figure it out this online, found the forums, I found the website that gives you the instructions on how to wire all these up. This isn't my first rodeo, but I bought... Let me start over again. I have a different DIN that I tried to install into this car, and nothing seemed to work. This didn't seem to work. This is my third time. Once with this unit, twice with that unit, rewiring this back up with an extra ground cable. I know this unit works because it came out of my truck. I plugged it back into my truck. The unit still works fine. So I bought the upgraded version of this, thinking maybe I need to install this and do the same setup as this. Wrong. So I bought a regular standard harness without the pack. Wrong. So I retried doing this again with the pack on this DIN unit. Wrong. So I said, well, what the hell is going on? So then I said, screw it, I'm buying another double DIN. And I did. And now it works. So before I put it all back together, if anybody is having questions about the wiring diagram that's on the Infiniti forum, Nissan forums, it is this. If I can do this one-handed. So what you have here is your amp turn on. This is going into the pack. Okay. Amp turn on, power accessory, and power accessory going to the DIN unit, or the head unit, sorry. You're going to put them all together. The solid blue is for powered antennas. The old school style where it goes up, down, that type of stuff. You don't have to put this together. If your car does not have a power antenna and it doesn't need it, I just did it for the heck of it, just to get it out of the way so it looks neat. I'm going to tape all this up in Tessa tape. But if anybody's having questions, these need to go together if you're not getting sound. This is how I found out. I have a Bose system in my car with an amplifier. Blue and white, double red. I hope that helps.